Teresa here with the Sterling Insurance Group. Wanted to get with you real quick because, we only really think about insurance in the situations to where we have like a really big claim. So I just wanted to share with you, one of the biggest questions we get here inside the agency is because we're insurance brokers, we represent multiple different companies, who do I call and what happens if I have a claim? And it's a great question. So I'm here to talk to you about that today with utilizing my personal experience, because on Friday I had the connector that went from a water hose into the hot water heater up in my attic actually dislodged and somehow ended up spewing water all over my attic. With that, we had a ton of water that actually pooled directly above my dining room. Luckily, I was able to grab the water key, go out to the street. I was actually working from home. Heard it happen, and was able to head on out to the street and turn off the water very, very quickly. But with that, we still have a lot of damage. I'm sure you can hear right now the turbines going. I turned a couple of them off, but what happened was that when we realized we had the water damage, we had water coming through the ceiling, down the walls and the floors, and what I did was we called a plumber to come and help. The plumber came and took care of the actual problem, which was the connector. And then what happened was he recommended a mitigation company, okay, or like a drying out company. There's lots of them out there. There is Dry Force, there is ServPro, there are quite a few, and they do a really, really great job getting in, determining the amount of damage, and then creating an environment to where they get all the wet items up and out, so that way everything can dry appropriately, and then drying out your walls and your personal belongings. So we had one of those companies come on out, and I don't know if you guys can see or not, but the whole ceiling in this room actually collapsed. They had to take out part of the drywall to be able to dry in there. It also went into our kitchen. So we have drywall problems in the kitchen, the laundry room, and with that, they did a great job getting out here and starting the process to dry everything out. But they do have to be able to have these turbines going that I'm sure you can hear for about 5 days. Please note that if this would happen to you, your homeowner's insurance company has, or your policy has a section in it called loss of use. That loss of use allows you to live somewhere so you don't have to live in the middle of all the chaos and your house being completely torn up during the drying out process or during the construction process of putting it back to where it was to begin with. So we've been in a hotel for the last few days. We're excited that the company that we are working with for mitigation has told us that we can be back in our home tonight. Then what we will do from there is they have actually a report that they are going to give to our claims adjuster about what all the true damage is now that everything will be mostly dried out. And with that, then we're going to start the process of talking about the construction to get everything back up and running the way that it needs to. So I will go ahead and create little videos along the process, keeping you guys informed. But don't worry if you have a water claim, we're here to help you. We do work with all the different carriers to make sure that you get the best service, get everything taken care of, and your home and your life is put back together as well as possible, so that way you can get back to living that life. My name is Teresa. I'm with the Sterling Insurance Group. I'll keep you up on all of the cool things going on with this water claim. And if you have your own, make sure that you give us a call, because we'd love to assist you through that process. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.